guys, what's up? Jazz25 here, and today we've got a special video. Today I'm going to show you guys my dream car that I bought. It is a Subaru 2014 WRX Premium. I've been saving up for this car for quite a long time, and I finally got it. And let's show you guys how it is. So here we got it, guys. My Subaru. It is so awesome. It is so awesome. I love it. It is so good. And I love every minute of it. It drives very well. It's got all the special features and everything. It is so awesome. Let's show you guys inside the car. It's got leather interior. You can see there. I just cleaned the car, so it's nice and spotless right now. Besides the where I put my feet, but you can't really help that, can you? No. Oh. It's got push button start as well. It's got red stitching lining inside to match the STI look, but this is not an STI. This is a normal WRX. We've got all the dials here. For your Bluetooth and everything, and your cruise control, and it's got Sport Plus mode and intelligent mode. What that does is, if you put it in intelligent mode, it pretty much saves you fuel on the car, and in Sport Plus, that's when you can take off very fast when you want to race fuel. But hopefully I can do that soon. So, and it's got flappy panel gearbox as well, so you can change the car's gears more faster. And it's got a sat nav in the middle for your GPS and everything. Very nice gear stick. It is a automatic, but you can be manual as well, so it's kind of half there. So yeah, got a little guy I got yesterday. Got the back seat here. Nice, good leather interior. Very nice indeed. It's got 4 speakers in the car. I got one massive speaker at the back, and 2 speakers at the front near the doors. And yeah, they crank out really good as well. So back. We've got 4 exhausts here. I will show you in a little bit what they sound like when the car is on. So you can see that there. I just cleaned them, so they're nice and shiny now. Got the boot. The push button, so it comes up. Inside it is nice and clean, and underneath here we've got a spare tyre and jack and everything. So we've got the tyres. These are 17-inch 5-star tyres. So if you want to get good performance tires, these tires are really good. So yeah. The other side, all nice and clean. And as well, you can get in the back. Yeah, you can fall asleep if you want to. It's a bit bright now, but it's very comfortable as well. You've got the passenger side. You got your windows there, you got the speaker down there, adjustable, we can go up and down, backwards and forwards. Oh, it's got a sunroof as well. It's pretty cool, I like that. I'll show you guys how that works in a second. And we've got the WRXC right here. That's so cool. It has got 2 normal standard headlights and 2 fog lights. So if you're going in a fog, you can turn them on, and yeah, you can use the seat. And as well, when you're in a dark place, they automatically come on. So that's pretty damn cool. Got to check the front end. Yeah, it's my dream car, guys. I'll go a little bit into detail of how everything works inside, and I'll turn the car on and show you guys how it sounds. Okay guys, so this is how it's going to be. I'm going to turn the car on and I'll show you guys how it sounds and everything happening when the car's on. So let's go ahead and start the car up. First you just put your foot on the brake. You see that green light? And then you press the engine button. And then it comes on. It's got red lights. It comes on. It's got Bluetooth. It's got this little tiny computer up here which you can tell your mileage. You've got the clock. You got the boost gauge. This goes up and down when you rev. Yeah. That sounds so awesome, mate. Sounds awesome. I love this car. It's got the exhaust here, like you saw before. It does idle quite well. So let's go check out the boot. To get to the boot, to the bonnet, sorry. It took me a while to figure it out, but there's a switch here somewhere. Oh, there it is. That little symbol there. That's it there. So it's under here. Little tiny glitch. Like that. So let's go check it out. There's a slight little lever along here where you have to slide across. Like that. That's it there. And this is the engine, guys. This is a 2-liter boxer engine with a fuel injected turbo right here, and all the normal stuff. You got an air intake here, and you can see the belts going around, everything in there, the battery, everything all nice and tubed up, the radiator up there. So yeah, that's pretty much the engine, guys. Subscribe to see more, and yes, I will be adding a few more things to this car, so watch out for that, guys. And just look how beautiful this place is. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how these seats go back, and it surprised me when I first did it. These can go way back. So down here, there's a little tiny lever here. You can go up or down how you want to. And this is the back seat goes forward and backwards. Now we're going to go all the way backwards and see what happens. Going all the way back, guys. Yeah. Bye bye. And that's the furthest I can go back. Now that is so awesome. Look at that. I can just sleep in my car if I want to. That's actually a good idea. I just sleep in my car and just do everything. Then I go back up, just press the button back, and you slowly go back up. And you're back. Next, I'll show you guys the sunroof. This sunroof is freaking awesome. When I first test drove the car, I didn't realize that this was even here, because I wasn't even looking up here. I was just looking over here. So I'll show you how it is. We slide this back like that. Don't mind the smudge marks. And then we got these buttons here. We've got the open and close and up and down. The open and close is this. And it opens like that. One press. Oh, hello, son. And to go back, you press the down close button. You hold it down. And you can go up and down. Which go up. So if you want to have a little bit of air in here, go up and then you go back down. And once you finish, you just close it up like that. Now that is freaking awesome. I love that. Oh man. So we'll show you guys the stereo system. This stereo system kicks ass. It's so loud, it's so bassy, it's so awesome. So I'll show you guys. Now be warned, it might be a bit loud, so let's do it. Now this is connected to my Bluetooth, so this is pretty cool. And you can turn it up and down all you want by your phone or with these buttons here. Sounds really awesome, man. And when I close the car, it becomes more bassy. Then go up a little bit more. Stereo system. It's got the stereo system down there. It's got one speaker down there and another speaker down there too. So it's all very nice around here. It's got leather interior. It's got some auxiliary and inputs in here, and it's got some cup holders and pretty much everything you want to have in a car, and I've got it. That's so awesome. I bought this car from Subaru. Those guys down there are really awesome. I went on Thursday after work and I test drove this car, and they were so nice, guys. So nice. They let me test drive it without question. All I have to do is just give them my my driver's license, and there I'm set. And then yeah, I drove it, and oh man, the boost in this car is so awesome. Oh man, I pretty much crapped my pants the first time I put my foot all the way down. Oh, it was so good. $33,000 for this car. It was $35,000, but I traded my other car in, a 2006 Mitsubishi 380 series. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I got 2 years warranty as well. And so if anything breaks in this car, they'll fix it for free. So I'm quite happy about that. So yeah, and this is my dream car, guys. Come on, look at this leather interior, GPS, Bluetooth. I can't ask for anything more, guys, really. So it's amazing. I'm so proud of myself. I saved up for 5 years to get this car, and now I've got it. And I will be getting new stuff for this car to add to it. Soon I'll be getting a spoiler for the back, because right now it's only got a small little spoiler, and I want a big one. I want a big one, guys. So yeah, it's pretty damn awesome. And yeah, I can't wait for it today. It's gonna be so good. And in the meantime, I'll keep this car clean and looking very nice. So yeah. And go check out Subaru. They will hook you up, and yeah, there's a very nice cars down there. So yeah. I changed my mind. I'm going to show you guys how it looks when I'm driving the car. So let's get through them. I'm just going to be driving just around town, and then I'll probably be going back home. But that's enough time to show you guys how the car works. So yeah. Oh man, you gotta love that sound though. You've got to love that sound. Yeah, so guys, yeah, I love this car already. I'm going to be keeping this car for as long as possible. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be going to keep this car for maybe 20 years, if that's possible, if this car lasts that long. But yeah, it's very awesome, this car. I love it. I fell in love when I first saw it. Oh man, it's so awesome. I love it. Yeah, so it handles well. It's very fast. I'll show you in a second when we get on the highway how fast it actually is. it right now. I'll show you right now. Okay. Woohoo! Damn! I went to nearly 6,000 revs then. As well, you can do a flappy panel mode as well. So you can go faster and faster as well. So that's pretty damn cool. Love with this car. I really do love it, guys. It's so amazing. It's supposed to be normally you only put sports mode on when you're doing what I just did then, where you want to go very fast and very quickly. So, but normally I'm on intelligent mode, so I'm safety fuel on that. So, yeah. So either way, it is pretty damn cool. Handles well. It's got good traction on the road. The tires on this car are pretty new. I don't know how old they are, but they still have that little spot of paint that you normally see on new tires. So they're not that old. So I probably will get new tires in the future, and new rims as well. So yeah, I can't wait for that. The way that you just lean in and just cruise along, oh man, it's so awesome. I love it. So nice and comfy as well, and you got that good aircon and a good stereo system, and everything's just perfect about this car, guys. This car, I can't think of any right now. I've only been driving this car for a week now, and I haven't really seen any problems. There are some safety features. When you start up the car in the morning, when the engine is cold, you can't put it in sports mode automatically because you need to wait for the car to warm up so you can go in sports mode. So, but that's not really a downside. So, not really. Man, this car can go to 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 5 seconds, guys. That is freaking fast. That is so damn fast. With this turbo inside, oh man, the turbo just kicks in every single time. Oh, it's so awesome. So guys, I am careful when driving. Yeah, I don't take risks. I have been in a car crash twice and wrecked those two cars. So I am never going to crash again. So I'm going to be extra careful and when I drive, and yeah, I don't want to crash this car. It's my dream car, guys. I've been saving up for 5 years, and it's amazing. It is amazing. Handles well, looks beautiful. I've got some good plans in the future, so watch out for that, guys. Maybe change the color in the future. Who knows? Don't know. We'll see. Maybe it's a bright color. I don't know. Yeah, I will definitely have good plans in the future for this car, and yeah. So this has been my review / first look at the car and showing you guys. And as well, in the future, I will post more videos. Hopefully, I want to post more videos about this car and everything. So watch out for that, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, put it down in the comments below what type of things that you want to see me do in this car, and what things you want me to buy and put on this car. It's been Jazz25, guys. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys next time.